Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at why your phone get resetted when you first put in the SIM card, especially if this is the first time that you're setting up your phone. So if you just recently got a new phone and when you put in the SIM card in, trying to set up the phone, you may notice the phone will try to reset itself. Now this process is called SIM profiling, and it only happens in certain regions, not everywhere. And before you try to restore your device or transfer the data from the old device over to the new one, make sure that you insert the SIM card first. Because if you don't, if you try to spend 5 hours transferring the data over to your new device, and then later you're gonna put the SIM card in, like so, and then you switch on your phone, you may notice the phone will try to reset itself. So that means you have just wasted a couple of hours trying to set up your phone, and then when you put in the SIM card, it just simply reset your device. So in order for you to avoid any data loss or wasting your time, make sure that when setting up your new Samsung Galaxy device, put in the SIM card first, and then after that, try to bring the data over. That way, you will not wasting your time. So this process is called SIM profiling. It allows your phone to set up the software environment to match with the current region that you are in, and it only happens once. So it only happens when you first put in the SIM card for the first time. After that, even if you reset your phone, it will not do any more SIM profiling. And that's it. So just hopefully you guys can save time. If you're getting a new device, just make sure that you put the SIM card in first. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.